going to start by applying these eye gels, which just really help to depuff underneath my eyes. Now that they've been on for about 10 minutes, I'm just going to take them off, and they're super cooling underneath the eyes as well. So the next step is I'm going to use a serum, and this one is by Biology, and it's the Morning Radiance Serum, and it also comes in a nighttime one as well, which is a little bit more concentrated. Product that I've been loving is this sunscreen by Ultraviolet. It's the SPF 50 lightweight sunscreen. It honestly feels like you're just putting on a beautiful rose scented moisturizer. So I'm just going to pop that underneath because I think that it's very important to wear an SPF every day. I'm just going to quickly apply a little bit of the Biology lip serum. I'm just going to twist that. Okay, so for foundation, I'm using the Nudestix tinted cover, and this one is very skin-like. So it's super lightweight on the skin, but it gives you this beautiful dewy finish. This one's a new concealer I've been trying out. It's a new brand in Mecca, and I'm just going to pop this under the eyes, just where I have that little bit of darkness in the inner corner. And then I'm also going to apply a little bit on the center of my forehead, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. And this is just going to brighten those areas and bring them forwards, so it helps to get rid of it. This one's a beautiful bronzer by Chanel, and it's one of my favorites for warming up the skin. It's the Tan de Chanel. This is what it looks like, and I find this one a great consistency. It's not too liquidy, and it's not a powder either. With whatever's left over on the brush, sometimes I just like to pop it over my nose, or even over my eyelids as well for that little bit of a wash of bronze. Using my well-loved Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow, I'm just going to take the bronzer and apply that over the top just to set the cream one that I just used. Kiki Rose, and you can use this on lips, eyes and cheeks, so they're super versatile. I'm just going to pop that onto the back of my hand, and then with my fingers I'm just popping that on. Moving on to highlighter now. This one is by Giorgio Armani, and I'm just popping that onto the high points of my cheekbones and center of my nose. I won't do much for brows, I just like to brush them up. This one is a clear brow gel by Hourglass. I'm just going to do a golden bronze eye, super easy. I'm just using two products. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Copper Charge Metallic liner. It's got two sides to it. I'm going to use the golden side and just sort of pop this all over the eyelid. And it's sort of this beautiful rusty golden color, and you can even just blend that out. So the eye palette I'm using is by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Luxury Palette in Copper Charge, and it's full of all these beautiful bronzy colors. This is the brush I'll be using by a very talented makeup artist, Merton. It's the blend brush, and it's got this beautiful edge on it, so it's super easy to really buff it out and get that nice blended edge. I'm going to start with this brown shade here in the bottom corner, and I'm just going to pop this into the crease and just blend. And I'm going to take that same shade under the eye, so just taking a smaller brush now. This one's by Crown Brushes. It's the C510. And then the last step for the eyes is to add some shimmer, because we all love shimmer. I'm just taking a mix of these two shades here, and then with my finger I'm just going to apply that directly onto the eyelid. And then to add a little bit of glow, I'm just going to take this light shimmer here at the top and apply that in the inner corner. I think I just applied a little bit too much, so you can just blend it out. The lip lip serum first, just to make sure that my lips are a little bit hydrated. And then I'm going to use this on top. It's the Giorgio Armani liquid lipstick in 202, and it's a nice pinky brownie neutral colour. And because I love glow, I'm going to finish with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and I'm just going to spritz this all over.